Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be changing the valve cover today. I'm going to be changing the hardware also, just a little upgrade. I got everything I need to get it done. I'm also going to change the VTEC solenoid gasket. It's leaking on the bottom, so I got the gasket for the valve cover also. And also the camshaft seal. That's one thing I need to change. It was just leaking pretty bad. So we'll get all this done in the video. I also bought some hardware at Password JDM. They had a 60% sale, so I kind of just went and bought whatever I could, whatever they had left. I'm also going to change the oil. The oil I used, I actually bought on eBay because it was the cheapest, but it's the 5/20 synthetic blend of Mobil 1. Everybody likes their oil, whatever they like to use. The oil filter, I couldn't get the OEM one due to the coronavirus and all the dealers being closed. But yeah, I mean, stay tuned, enjoy the video. Hope you guys like it. There'll be more to come. It's gonna be a very slow but long build, I guess you could say. Still debating if I want to do turbo or not, but stay tuned. Alright, thank you.
Every morning from the kitchen where she's cooking, my Bobby tells you you're good looking. The kids, they'll play you Pachi hen talach. The Bobby shall make you frische knedalach. But the bakery's so lonely, my Bobby's kettle whistles for me. My shtetl Crown Heights is calling your name. I hear my shtetl, it's calling. But there ain't no highway back to Krenitz, and there ain't no train inside this rhyme. I close my eyes and say, just a click away, welcome to the shtetl of mine. Bobby, 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 you, Bobby, 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 you. Ay, 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 my shtettl's calling. Spiel schon kleines Boot im Lach, dabei schon knedalach. Oh, die Bobby soll sein, gesund und freilach. Everyone's your friend in this cobblestone land. Everybody seems to know your Bobby. They'll share their wine and their knishes with you, and then they'll send regards to Shloime. But the butcher is so lonely, my Bobby's kettle whistles for me. My shtetl Crown Heights is calling your name. I hear my shtetl, it's calling. But there ain't no highway back to Krenitz, and there ain't no train inside this rhyme. I close my eyes and say, just a click away, welcome to the shtetl of mine. Bobby, 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 you, Bobby, 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 you. Ay, 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 my shtettl's calling. Spiel schon kleines Boot im Lach, dabei schon knedalach. Oh, die Bobby soll sein, gesund und freilach. Oh, ja, kakaya, Bobby, you, Bobby, 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 you. Ay, 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 my shtettl's calling. Spiel schon kleines Boot im Lach, dabei schon knedalach. Oh, shtetl, it's calling. But there ain't no highway back to Krenitz, and there ain't no train inside this rhyme. I close my eyes and say, just a click away, welcome to the shtetl.